everybody, this is Charlene from Fustini's of Petoskey. Today we're going to make a Greek garbanzo bean and farro salad. There's a salad that's very similar to this on our webpage. It's a Greek pasta salad, only we're substituting the pasta for farro, and we have a couple extra spices. So we have 2 cups of farro already cooked per package instructions. We have 1 can of drained and rinsed garbanzo beans. We have 1 can of chopped and rinsed artichoke hearts. We've got a half of a red pepper diced. We've got a half of a cup of Kalamata olives chopped. And then the recipe calls for green onions, but I don't have any green onions. So I just took about 1/4 of a white onion because they're really strong and chopped them up really finely. And then about 5 ounces of feta cheese. And now we're just going to kind of mix all these ingredients together. And we're going to take our jar and we're going to pour in a 1/3 of a cup of garlic olive oil. And a 1/3 of a cup of Sicilian Lemon, balsamic vinegar. And then to that, we're going to add some of this Opa Greek seasoning. You can get it at the Petoskey Fustini's location only. If you don't have this, it's oregano, onion, garlic, sea salt, pepper, parsley, cinnamon, and nutmeg. But this is just a really nice blend of all of them. So we're going to put in 2 teaspoons of that. And then we're just going to put the lid on this and shake it. It's the easiest way to emulsify a dressing. Once everything's nice and incorporated, then we'll just pour this right onto our salad. Mix it up really well. And because I have a ton of microgreens in my fridge that I need to use up, I'm going to serve this salad tonight on a bed of microgreens. Super quick, easy salad. Not much work or prep involved. And really awesome for hopefully summer gatherings when we get to that point. Thanks for watching.